Muscles of the anterior compartment of the leg and dorsum of foot. Tibialis anterior. Origin: lateral condyle of tibia, upper two-thirds of lateral surface of the shaft of the tibia, adjoining part of the interosseous membrane. Insertion: inferomedial surface of the medial cuneiform and the adjoining part of the base first metatarsal bone. Nerve supply: deep peroneal nerve, actions: dorsiflexor of foot, inverter of the foot, keeps the leg vertical while walking and on uneven ground, maintains medial longitudinal arch of the foot. Extensor hallucis longus muscle. Origin: posterior half of the middle to fourth of the medial surface of the shaft of the fibula, adjoining part of the interosseous membrane. Insertion: dorsal surface of the base of the distal phalanx of the big toe. Nerve supply: deep peroneal nerve. Actions: dorsiflexor of foot and extends metatarsophalangeal and interphalangeal joints of big toe. Extensor digitorum longus. Origin: lateral condyle of tibia, upper part of interosseous membrane. Insertion: it divides into 4 tendons for the lateral 4 toes. The tendons of second, third and fourth digits are joined on the lateral side by the tendon of the extensor digitorum brevis and forms the dorsal digital expansion. Nerve supply: deep peroneal nerve. Actions: dorsiflexor of foot extends metatarsophalangeal, proximal and distal interphalangeal joints of second to fifth toes. Peroneus tertius. Origin: lower 1/4 of the medial surface of the shaft of the fibula, adjoining part of the interosseous membrane. Insertion: medial part of the dorsal surface of the base of the fifth metatarsal bone. Nerve supply: deep peroneal nerve. Actions: dorsiflexor of foot and everter of foot. Extensor digitorum brevis. Origin: the muscle arises from anterior part of the superior surface of the calcaneum. Insertion: muscle divides into 4 tendons for medial 4 toes. The medial most part of the muscle which is distinct is known as the extensor hallucis brevis. Nerve supply: lateral terminal branch of the deep peroneal nerve. Actions: medial tendon known as extensor hallucis brevis extends metatarsophalangeal joint of big toe. The other 3 lateral tendons extend the metatarsophalangeal and interphalangeal joints of second, third and fourth toes, particularly in a dorsiflexed foot.